As an engineering intern at PR Electronics, you'll be enrolled in the ongoing R&D projects, contributing to the development of our world-class measuring equipment for the process industry. Your tasks will include design and implementation of advanced analog and digital signal conditioning, as well as testing and validating your solutions, ensuring they are optimized for design for manufacturing and design for testability. We are driven by engineers deeply committed to delivering leading-edge process instrumentation products. With our innovative and patented technologies, we take signal conditioning to the next level. All of our products comply with or surpass the highest industry standards and ensure superior performance. You'll benefit from being part of a highly skilled R&D department, where collaboration and interaction with colleagues is the standard, and projects are based on Scrum. Besides the professional challenges, we're a highly social company with many cross-departmental activities.